how's the taste?
Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today we are going to be making spicy chicken adobo. Wow. Chicken adobo is the most famous dish in the Philippines, but we're going to do a little twist by making it spicy. Chicken adobo, you will see that anytime. People making it at home, people making it for parties, Christmas, New Year's, holidays, birthdays, whatever. If you've ever been to a Filipino's house, you've probably had chicken adobo. Chicken adobo is really easy to make. You only need a few ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. First thing you're gonna need is a big pan. After it gets hot, we're gonna add some oil. Now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of ginger. After about 2 minutes, we're gonna add our onion. After about 1 minute, we're gonna add all of this garlic. I love garlic. Okay, when you see a little bit of the veggies sticking to the bottom, that's when you know it's time to add the chicken. Chicken is gonna deglaze all that good stuff at the bottom. For our recipe, we're gonna add 1 kilo of chicken. We're gonna add the pieces with the skin first. Renders faster. Now we're going to add some freshly ground pepper. We want a lot. Look at that. It smells good. We're going to add 4 laurel leaves, or bay leaves in America. And then, to make it spicy, we got these Asian chilies. You can't find these at your local Walmart. Make sure you go to an Asian store. You can use the red chilies, but the green, in my opinion, have more flavor. After it's been cooking for about 5 minutes, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix again and really start to smell the spices. Now we're going to add 1 cup of Filipino vinegar. Go. Just pour it around. Then a 1/2 cup of Filipino soy sauce. Now the important part is do not mix. Now you don't want to mix it, because if you mix it, then the chicken will be the one that gets sour rather than the sauce, and you don't want that. Now we're just going to cover this for 15 minutes. Alright, let's open it. Oh wow, look at that. Now we're going to mix. Woo, spicy. It's sweet at first, and then it gets a little spicy. Oh, that's so good. Now we're gonna cover again, put it to medium-low this time, boil for 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on the sauce. It's been 20 minutes, let's take a look. Ooh, smells good. Let's mix it again. All right, we're just gonna boil it for 10 more minutes, and we'll come back. All right, let's check it. Oh, wow, look at that. Nice, silky, smooth sauce. And there you have it, spicy chicken adobo. Looks so good. Look how dark the chicken got because of the soy sauce. It can absorb all that flavor from the onions, chili, and especially that garlic. Smells really good. Now, doesn't really matter how's it look, right? What matters is, how's the taste? All right, let's see. We got some rice, we got some adobo. Let's just put some extra sauce on that. Ooh, oh sauce is key. Alright, let's see this. Oh wow, that is tender. Oh my gosh, wow, look at that. Alright, let's try it. You gotta have that rice. Oh, smell. Oh! Really, really, really flavorful. First thing that you taste is this nice sweet sourness from the vinegar, a little bit of sweetness from the soy sauce, and then right away you got that punch from the chili. Wow, it's really good. So good, so tender. Also, the sweetness comes from the onions. When it cooks a long time, it caramelizes. Also with the garlic flavor, oh, it's so good. Ginger there too, adds that extra level of flavor. It's really good. I really like it. This was definitely a success. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever video you'd like to see me do next. This was really, really good. Adobo is one of my favorites. So if you like spicy food and you like adobo, you gotta try this. I guarantee you'll love it. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye. How's the taste?
You're old.
I see this pig just sitting there, and I'm like,
You're
no,
old.
oh no, oh no.
Dito sa Pilipinas,
You're old.
kapag
You're old.
nakita ng may bisita, hindi nagustuhan
You're
yung
old.
inihanda namin. Iba siguro may
Surprise!
I think I have a good choice.
Bruh.